The day Maya couldn't focus. Maya sat down at her desk after school. She had one job: write a paragraph about animals. She opened her notebook and wrote the first sentence. Then her phone buzzed. She picked it up, just to check. It was a funny video. She watched it. Then another one appeared. Then a message from her friend. Then a notification from a game. She clicked, scrolled, laughed. Then she looked at her notebook. One sentence. 20 minutes gone. Maya dropped her pencil on the desk. Why is this taking forever? I can't do anything today. Her older brother Kai walked in. What's wrong? I keep stopping. I start, and then something pulls me away, Maya said. Kai nodded. That's called distraction. A distraction is anything that pulls your attention away from what you are doing. Your phone buzzed, and your brain jumped to it, because the brain loves new things. It's like a dog that runs after every ball it sees. Maya laughed. So my brain is a dog? Kind of, Kai said. But here's the good news. You can train it. When you give your full attention to one thing, that's called focus. Focus is like a flashlight. It makes one spot very bright. But when you keep switching, it's like turning the flashlight off and on, off and on. You never really see anything clearly. And when you switch too often, your brain becomes slower and more tired, Kai added. Every time you switch tasks, your brain has to start again. That's why 15 minutes of real focus is better than an hour of stopping and starting. Maya put her phone in her bag. Okay, no more buzzing. She started writing again. This time, she didn't stop. She finished the whole task in 15 minutes. When she read it back, it was good. Better than usual. Kai, she called. I think my flashlight is working.